When making frittatas, we start cooking the frittatas on the top. When making frittata, start cooking it the cooktop, and then we're gonna transfer it to, we're gonna finish stovetop, a stovetop. Hi everyone, I'm Paula Romero from La Bella Pasta. Welcome to our channel. Today's video, mushroom, asparagus and bacon frittata. Frittata is a very easy dish to make. It's very traditional, very classic dish for brunches, and everybody likes it. You're gonna love it. So here I'm beating the eggs. Don't worry about the ingredients right now because I'm gonna post in the description below. Just gonna lightly beat the eggs, and later on I'm gonna add some salt and pepper and a little bit of milk. The mise en place is already done. I cut the asparagus. Make sure that you leave the tips whole. Cremini mushrooms, shallot, bacon, and thyme. Let's drizzle some olive oil and saute and render the bacon. Bacon is rendering, and let me give you a tip. When making frittata, we're going to start making it at the stove top and we finish in the oven. So make sure that you use a cast iron pan or a non-stick skillet. Bacon is rendered, remove from the pan. Discard the bacon fat, but 1 teaspoon. Add just a little bit of butter. And start sauteing the mushrooms. Add some thyme and salt and pepper. Add the shallots. The asparagus. Saute the veggies for about 5 minutes until they're soft. Meanwhile, we're gonna season the eggs. So I have already added the thyme. I'm gonna add some salt, not much, because we have already added salt to the veggies. A little bit of black pepper. And I like to add just a little bit of milk. So let's go. You might be asking, what is the difference between a frittata and an omelette? Frittatas cannot be folded like an omelette. So we saute the veggies, pour the egg mixture on top, and then we finish over there. Another thing, frittatas can be served hot or at room temperature. Omelettes are best when they're served hot. Also, frittatas are a classic dish for brunches. So if you're planning a brunch made for Mother's Day, include a frittata in your menu. It's gonna be amazing. Wow, I could eat this just like that. I have the oven already preheating at 400 degrees. I'm gonna add the bacon to the egg mixture and then the egg mixture to the veggies. With a spatula, we lift the edges to allow the liquid egg to go underneath. The egg mixture is just running here in the center. So we take this into the oven and we're gonna let it finish in the oven. Now, come here, check this out. Doesn't this look gorgeous? So I had already start here with a wedge. I'm gonna cut another one. And I made a quick arugula and grapefruit salad to serve with it. Very refreshing. Very nice. That's it. Very easy meal that you can eat hot, room temperature, any time of the day. I'm gonna eat this right now. I'm gonna save a snack for me for later. And I hope to see you next time in our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification button so you know when we post something new. Also, don't forget to visit our website at labellapasta.net. There is a pasta class there waiting for you. See you next time. I'm gonna dig in. Quality control first. Approved, stamped. See you next time.